Today I am going to discuss about the questions related to sequential series part 2, which were frequently asked in various examinations just like CTBT, IOE, grade 11 and grade 12. If you want to see part 1, video link is given below in description. Let's discuss about it. Now the question is this. See this question. Between two unequal positive numbers, gm square is equal to am into hm and am is greater than gm is greater than hm. Now we are going to prove this one. See this first. This one proof. Between two unequal positive number means we have to first suppose let a and b be two unequal positive numbers, then we know that means am, arithmetic mean, is equal to a plus b by 2, and this we know geometric mean gm, that is equal to root over ab, and harmonic mean hm, that is equal to 2ab upon a plus b. This we know by the rule of am, gm and hm. Am means a plus b by 2, gm means root over ab, and harmonic mean hm is equal to 2ab upon a plus b. Now then we suppose that means we have to take this first. Now we are going to prove gm square is equal to am into hm. This one we are going to prove. So taking this one first. So taking this first means am into hm. This we have first. See this one. Am into hm. We are going to prove gm square is equal to am into hm. So we have taken this am into hm. Now this we get am means first we have written already. That means am is equal to a plus b upon 2 into hm means harmonic mean, that means 2ab upon a plus b. Now see this one, these 2 in denominator and 2 in numerator we can cut. This a plus b in numerator and a plus b in denominator, this we also can cut. That means this becomes only ab. This ab means we can write this means root over ab. This whole square we know, that means root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. That means this we can write root 2 whole square is equal to 2. This square and root we can cancel. So this becomes root over ab. Root over ab means see this one, root over ab. Root over ab means gm. So this we can write here. That means this means gm square. So therefore we can prove this gm square is equal to am into hm in this way. And see another one, that means now we are going to prove this second condition. This in second condition we are given am is greater than gm is greater than hm. So we have already written this. Am means a plus b by 2, gm means root over ab, and hm means 2ab upon a plus b. Now we are going to prove this am is greater than gm is greater than hm. So see this one. Now for second, this means am is greater than gm is greater than hm we are going to prove. So that first let, that means am difference gm, am minus gm. If we take this we get, that means see this one, am means we have already written, that means a plus b by 2 minus gm means root over ab, geometric mean. Now taking LCM these two, then we get this means a plus b minus 2 root over ab, this whole upon 2. Now this a we can write this means root over a this whole square, plus this b also we can write this square of root over b minus this 2 root over ab, we can write root over a into root over b whole by 2. So this becomes the expansion of a minus b whole square. This means a square minus 2ab plus b square. See this we can write, this means root over a minus root over b, this whole square, this whole upon 2. Now see this one, right, that means this square of real number is non-negative. We know that means the square of real number is non-negative because their a and b are not equal, since a is not equal to b and the square of real number is non-negative. So we can write, that means this is greater than 0. That means the square of real number is non-negative, that means this greater than 0. So that means am difference gm is greater than 0. So this we can write, that means if we shift on the on right hand side, this becomes am is greater than gm, this becomes this. So this let first equation first, this one, and now another again take this one. This we first take am is greater than the gm, this first equation. Now again we have to take this again, gm square is equal to am into hm. This we have already proved this. So in this case gm square means we can write gm into gm is equal to this, we can write am into hm harmonic mean, or this we can write this gm and this am shift on this left side goes to divide, this means am is equal to this becomes hm and this goes to divide, this becomes gm. This we can write, this am we have to shift on this side and this gm we have to shift on this side. In first we have already seen that means am is greater than gm. See this one, am is greater than this gm. So here in numerator gm and in denominator am and in numerator hm, denominator gm. If we see this denominator, if these both are equal and am is greater than gm, so that means since am is greater than gm, this implies if this denominator is become this relation, that then we can write this gm also greater than hm. So this we shift this equation to take this one, and from equation 1 in first equation, that means we have already proved am is greater than gm, and in second see this, in second we have proved gm is greater than hm. Now combining this both, is combining one and two, we get, that means am is greater than gm is greater than hm. In this way we can prove this type of question. Now see another question. Another question is this type. See this one. If three unequal positive numbers a, b, c are in HB, then show that in a square plus c square is greater than 2b square and a cube plus c cube is greater than 2b cube. This we are going to prove. So see this, how to prove this one. So see this proof. That means if three unequal positive number a, b, c are in HB, that means we can write since a, b, c are in HB, this implies harmonic mean is equal to b, because this b is harmonic mean of a and c, so harmonic mean is b. Similarly a, b, c are in AP, this becomes am, arithmetic mean is a plus c by 2, and similarly we can write geometric mean is equal to root over AC. We can write this one easily. Now we have a relation. We have already proved that am is greater than gm is greater than hm. So see this, we have we have AM is greater than GM is greater than HM. We have already proved it. So in this way, now writing the value of AM, we have already written. That means A plus C by 2 is greater than GM means root over AC is greater than HM means B. Now simplify this one. This we get A plus C is greater than 2 root over AC is greater than 2B. This one. Now we have this relation A plus C is greater than 2 root over AC is greater than 2B. Now let, that means this A plus C is greater than 2B. We take this first and this last. We get A plus C is greater than 2B. So this A plus C is greater than 2B. Then we can write this, we can write 2 root over AC is greater than 2B. That means A plus C. This we write. Now this becomes, that means if we cancel these two on both sides, this becomes root over AC is, that means this B square. By squaring on this both side, we get this one. AC root over not, this means this becomes root over AC is greater than B. And when squaring on this both side, on squaring we get, that means AC is greater than B square. Now this we have to suppose this one 1 and this one 2. So now let, this means now we have to take, this means in first we are going to prove this. See this one. This means A square plus C square is greater than 2B square. Now we are going to prove. So taking this A square plus C square here, we get in 1, that means A square plus C square is here. Now A square plus C square means we can write this. That means this square of A plus C minus 2AC in this way. That means this formula. Now putting the value of this A plus C is greater than 2B here. So A plus C is greater than 2B. So this we can write, while substituting the value of A plus C and AC, then this means greater than this. So this we can write greater than this. A plus C means 2B. This whole square minus 2. This means AC is, that means B square. Now that is equal to 2B whole square means this we can write 4B square minus 2B square. So this we write means 2B square. So this we can write A square plus C square is greater than 2B square. Now this way we can prove this one. Now see another we are going to prove. In another there is given, that means A cube plus C cube is given. A cube plus C cube is greater than 2B cube. We have to prove this. Now we have to take this A cube plus C cube first. Now see A cube plus C cube. Now in second condition we have to take this. In second there is given A cube plus C cube is greater than 2B cube. We have to prove this, and we have already here, that means A plus C is greater than 2B and AC is greater than, that means B square. This we have already written or proved this one. So how to prove this? See this one. That means A cube plus C cube is given by formula. We know that A cube plus B cube means, that means A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A minus B. In this way, this we can write A plus C this whole cube minus 3AC into A plus C by formula, this one, this by formula. So now substitute the value of A plus C here. A plus C is greater than 2B and AC is greater than B square. While substituting the value of this we can write this way. That means this way, greater than this, greater than A plus C means there we write 2B. This means whole cube, 2B whole cube minus 3. AC means we write B square, and A plus C means this we can write 2B. Now this becomes the whole cube of 2B is 8B cube minus this multiply 3 to the 6. This becomes B square into B cube. So subtracting this we get 2B cube. So this we can write A cube plus C cube is greater than 2B cube. In this way we can prove this types of question. This type of question are very important to IOE, CTVT exam and technical examination, and for grade 11 and 12 mathematics. So thank you.